I'm just playing around on this little pads, playing with the pad things right now. I just uploaded some, so I learned how to upload sound effects on my board, or whether or not on my Rodecaster, on my Pro. So I'm just messing around with it now, having a little fun, a little mess around with it. I'm learning. I just, some of these ones I added.